this is symbolic. I don't know if people didn't notice it, but you know, first photo I ever made of Niepce. Interesting that happened. What is subject? I believe this fact is absolutely miracle. Because the first photo I ever made is did you see it? It's a Niepce made in almost 200 years ago, and it just called view from my window, and kind of buildings in the left side and the right side, and light coming in between, and kind of coming to the square, and you see light coming between two buildings, kind of, and those two buildings are dark, and light coming in between dark, kind of light coming inside between darkness, inside darkness. And this is interesting for many aspects, because it's a huge symbol. Because if you know have negative works, why we see image in negative? Because light destroys Argentum. Light destroys Argentum. So in the moment you make photo, light coming for 1 second or even less than second to the Argentum, and destroy it. That's symbol, double symbol. Because if Niepce will make another photo, it's also possible. It could be landscape, it could be whatever. But he did this one. That light coming to between darkness and coming to this is unbelievable. It's kind of, that's what perfect art is, when form and content together, and you cannot divide it. You cannot divide it. You cannot do anything else. This is only, you cannot repeat it. You cannot repeat it. Even black quadrant, you cannot repeat it. Try. You say, I can do it. Try. You can't. It's done. It's done.